guys! Welcome to my baking channel. Today, we will be making chocolate salami. I've tried this super delicious chocolate salami, also known as chocolate biscuit cake, in Italy a few years ago and just couldn't get it off my mind ever since. So let me show you how easy it is to make this scrumptious treat. For this recipe, we will be needing the following ingredients. You can find the exact measurements in the description box below. First off, I'm going to break my biscuits into small and medium pieces. I'm using plain German Butterkekse, but you could also use digestive biscuits or even graham crackers. Fill a small saucepan with water and bring this to a simmer. Place a heat-proof bowl on top of the saucepan, and we are going to start to add the 200 grams of semi-sweet chocolate and 90 grams of butter. Stir this until it's completely melted. In a small mixing bowl, add in the 200 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give this a quick mix until everything is well combined. We are now going to gradually add the egg mixture into the melted chocolate. Make sure to stir this constantly to evenly cook the eggs. Mix this until the sugar has dissolved and the mixture has turned smooth. Remove the chocolate mixture from the heat. We can now fold in the biscuit pieces. At this point, you can also add chopped nuts or even dried fruits, but I like my chocolate salami with loads of biscuit chunks. Once the biscuit pieces are evenly mixed in, we are going to let this sit for about 10 minutes. I am now going to spread the mixture on a piece of parchment paper and start to form this into a log just like so. Wrap it up like a giant candy. Things got a bit messy, therefore I'm going to wrap it up in aluminum foil as well, just so that I don't mess up my fridge. Let this chill in the fridge for several hours until the log is firm. So I've chilled my chocolate salami for 4 hours and I'm now going to rub it with 2 tablespoons of confectioner sugar to make it look like a real salami. Look how cool this looks like! I could easily pull a prank on someone with this. I'm just going to cut this into slices to show you how cool it looks like from the inside. Look how tempting this is! I did go a bit overboard with the biscuits, but I really love it this way together with a rich and fudgy chocolate. Absolutely divine! You guys must give this recipe a try. I hope you enjoyed my video today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more yummy recipes. Take care and see you next time. Bye!